Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about conversion of energy, electrical, light, sound, heat.
Let's begin. What does the word stored energy mean? And the correct answer is letter A, energy stored and ready to do work. Select the picture that shows stored energy changing into light energy. And the correct answer is letter B, battery lights bulb. What does the word electrical energy mean? And the correct answer is letter A, energy moving through wires.
Choose the image that best shows stored energy changing into sound energy. And the correct answer is letter C, buzzer makes sound. A battery, wires, and a light bulb are connected in a circuit. What energy change happens in the light bulb? And the correct answer is letter B, electrical energy changes into light energy. Find the picture that best shows stored energy changing into motion energy. And the correct answer is letter C, motor spins with battery.
A student releases a stretched rubber band car. What happens to the stored energy? And the correct answer is letter A. It changes into motion energy. Pick the image that best shows a battery-powered fan creating motion. And the correct answer is letter C, fan blades spin. Based on the bar graph, which device produces the greatest increase in heat energy? And the correct answer is letter B, solar heater box.
Select the picture that best shows sunlight changing into heat energy. And the correct answer is letter C, sunlight warms box. Based on the line graph, what happens when the flashlight handle is turned more times? And the correct answer is letter B, the flashlight brightness increases. Identify the picture that best shows motion energy changing into light energy. And the correct answer is letter A, hand crank flashlight glows brightly.
True or false, stored energy can change into motion energy. And the correct answer is letter A, true. Choose the image that best shows a wind-up toy using stored energy. And the correct answer is letter C, toy moves forward. True or false, a stretched rubber band can store energy. And the correct answer is letter B, true because stretched objects store energy.
Find the picture that best shows stored energy, creating motion. And the correct answer is letter C, car rolls forward. A balloon car moves forward when air rushes out of the balloon. Why does this happen? And the correct answer is letter A, stored air pressure changes into motion. Select the image that best shows motion energy changing into electrical energy. And the correct answer is letter B, generator, light bulb.
A student studies a battery-powered toy car. What is the starting and ending energy form? And the correct answer is letter B. Stored energy changes into motion energy. Pick the picture that best shows stored energy changing into light energy. And the correct answer is letter C. Flashlight shines brightly. Why can using only cardboard, tape, foil, and one battery limit a light-producing device? And the correct answer is letter A. Limited materials may restrict circuit design options.
Identify the picture that best shows a safe way to test an electrical circuit. And the correct answer is letter C, safe circuit setup. A weak motorized car moves slowly during testing. What can students learn from this result? And the correct answer is letter A, the design may need improvement. Choose the image that best shows the strongest successful energy transfer. And the correct answer is letter B, bulb shines brightly.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.